Last time we made our turtle move consistently and turn in the direction that we want it to go based on the keyboard. Now we're going to make the turtle have an objective, and this is really meaning the player has to have an objective. I'm going to go into the actor and we're going to say new subclass. And this turtle is going to look for food. I don't know about you, but the turtle I want wants blueberries. We're going to call this the food class. We can open this up. And we have some action code. So when the world gets set up, the turtle has to have an objective. So we go into the My World class, and similarly how we add the player, we're going to add another object here. And this is going to be of the class food. We can't rename the variable, so we're going to say food equals new food. Or we can say blueberry, doesn't matter. And then we're going to use the world and we're going to get the object and we're going to add the blueberry to the top left corner of the screen at 10 and 10. Go in here and here's our blueberry. We can still add these around by pressing the shift key and clicking. So now we have a bunch of blueberries. What I want to do is in the blueberry, we're going to say if we need a conditional statement here. We're going to say is touching a class. So this is where we talk about our player.class. So what we're going to do, we're going to say get world, because remember the world is the only class that can add and remove objects. Get world.remove object this. And this refers to the blueberry that we're talking about. So we'll see if it works. We're going to add a couple of foods around, and then we're going to run into them. Boop, pops, goes away. There we go. So we can collect our food. So we collect our food, but that's not so amazing. Because we only have one piece of food that's added at the beginning. Reset, we only have this one food. Let's add a couple more. And you know how this variable is only defined for this one line and then we use it here? We can actually just take this new food and put it right in here and delete that. And we'll see that it still works. So we can add our couple more foods. This one will be at 500, 100. This one will be at 500, 400. This one will be at 100, 400. So we're going to cover all the corners of the screen now. I should change the 400s to more like 300. So now we have 4 blueberries on the screen and we need to go collect them all. We can do that. Turn. We can reset it and it's the same game. So we have our 4 blueberry objects.